Okay. Good morning, students. Today we start our section Max linear equation into variable, then exercise 3.6 or exercise 3.6. Okay, ready? Then solve the following pair of linear equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. Our first question, last class we discussed the irreducible linear equation using substitution. Put the substitution for 1 by x or 1 by y and make it as a linear equation. That is the method. Then solve the pair of linear equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. That is first question, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. That is our first question. Okay. Our question is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. One by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. 1 by 2x plus 1 by second equation 1 by 3x, not 2x, 3x. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. As class, it's a homework question for you. It is given, but unfortunately there is a net error. So we can do this question. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Then substitute. Here 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. Here 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6. Substituting the value of 1 by x, instead of 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. We take as instead of 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. Okay, clear? Then this is 1 by 2 into u. First question become 1 by, substituting instead of 1 by x 1 by u, 1 by 2 into u plus 1 by 3 into v is equal to 2. Instead of 1 by x you write u and 1 by y you write v is equal to 2. This is our equation number 1. First equation, that is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Instead of 1 by x you write u and instead of 1 by y you write v. Then transfer second equation, instead of 1 by 3 instead of 1 by x you write u plus 1 by 2 into instead of 1 by y you write v is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. Then equation. Then taking LCM, first equation 2 and 3. LCM is 6 multiplied throughout by 6. Multiply equation 1 by 6. Equation 1 into 6. That means 1 by 2 into 6 into 1 by 2 u plus 6 into 1 by 3 v 1 by 3v is equal to 6 into 2. That means 6 and 1 by 2 cancel by 3. 6 and 1 by 3 cancel by 2 and 6 into 2. The equation become 3u plus 2v is equal to 6 into 2, 12. Equation number 3. First convert first equation like this, 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. Multiply throughout by 6. 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. Here 1 by 3, second equation. Look at the second equation. 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 13 by 6. Denominator is 3, 2, 6. What is the LCM? LCM is 6. Here also 6. Multiply throughout by 6. Multiply equation 2 by 2 into 6. That means 1 by 3. The equation become 2u plus 3v is equal to 30. Equation number 4. Equation is 4. First equation 3u plus 2v is equal to 12 and second equation 2u plus 3v is equal to 30. Okay. Then using elimination method, eliminate first equation 3u, 2u. Equating the coefficient of u same 3 and 2, convert each terms as 6. First equation by 2, that is equation 1 into 2. Equation 3 into 2, that is equal to 6u plus 4v is equal to 24. Multiply throughout by 2. Equation 3 by into 2. 3 into 2 6u, 2 into 2 4v and 12 into 2 24. Then fourth equation 4 into 3, that is 6u plus 3 into 3 9v is equal to 13 into 3. 3 into 3 9. 3 into 1 3, 39. Clear? Multiply throughout by 2. First equation 3 by 2 and equation 4 by 3. Then equating the coefficients are equal for a u. Then eliminate the variable u. Eliminate the variable u. Subtract equation. Subtract equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 3 minus equation 4. Then put the negative sign. That is first 0u is equal to 0u minus 0u minus 5v is equal to minus 39 plus 24. That is equal to minus 15. 39 minus 24 is 15. That is v is equal to minus 15 divided by minus 5. That is equal to 3. v is equal to 3. Then substituting the value of v in the equation 3 or 4 and find the value of u also. First equation, that is 3x plus 2v is equal to 12. This is equation number 3. 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. Sorry. (3u plus 2v is equal to 12. Substituting the value of v, that is 3, that is 3u plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. That is 3u is equal to 12 minus 6. That is 3u is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. U equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. Here v is equal to 3 and u is equal to 2. Then what is u? U is equal to 1 by x, that is equal to 2. What is the value of x? Taking reciprocal, x is equal to 1 by 2. Then what is v? V is equal to 1 by y, that is equal to 3. Taking reciprocal, what is y? Y is equal to 1 by 3. That means the solution x is equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. Clear? 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, substituting instead of 1 by x is equal to u, the equation become like this: 1 by 2 u plus 1 by 3 v is equal to 2. 1 by 3 u plus 1 by 2 v is equal to 13 by 6. And taking the LCM, multiply throughout by 6. First equation become 3u plus 2u is equal to 12. And second equation is 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. Then using the elimination method or any other method, substitution method or cross multiplication method, here we use the elimination method, eliminate any one of the variable u or v and find the value of one variable and substituting this value to the other equation. Clear? Okay, take next question. Next question, homework. Question number 2, homework. Listen. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Take 1 by root x is equal to u, 1 by root y is equal to v. Here, substituting instead of 1 by root x u, 1 by root y v and making this equation as a linear equation and find the value of u and v and put 1 by root x is equal to u. Then what is x? X is equal to 1 by u square. Clear? And v is equal to, y is equal to 1 by v square. Then next question also homework. Question number 1 and 2. 2 and 3 homework. Question 2 and 3 homework. Here 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. Substituting instead of 1 by x is equal to u and y is equal to y itself. There is no need for a substitution. Clear? Question number 2. Substitute 1 by root x is equal to u and 1 by root y is equal to v. Then what is x? X is equal to 1 by u the whole square. Clear? Root x is equal to 1 by u, x is equal to 1 by u the whole square. What is y? Y is equal to 1 by v the whole square. This is a homework question. Then third one, this is also homework. Instead of 1 by x is equal to u and y equal to y itself. There is no need for a substitution. These two questions are a homework. Then write question number 4. Question 4. What happened, Jacob? Question 2 and 3 homework. Clear? Then write question number 4. 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Write the question. 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2. 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Second equation. 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Equal to 1. This is our equation. Given equation, make it as a linear equation using substitution. Listen. Here, first term 1 by x minus 1. Second term 1 by x minus 1. Then here y minus 2, second equation, that place also y minus 2. Then we put the substitution. Instead of 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u. Clear? Not 1 by x. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u. And second one, 1 by y minus 2 is equal to v. Clear? 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u. 1 by y minus 2 is equal to v. Then this equation become 5u plus v is equal to 2. Instead of 1 by x minus 1 u and instead of 1 by y minus 2 v. The equation become, first equation become 5u plus v is equal to 2. Clear? Second equation is 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. 5u plus v is equal to 2 and 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Using any method, find the value of u and v. This is equation number 2. Listen. First term 1v, second equation 3v. Multiply first equation by 3. 1 into 3. Equation 1 into 3. 1 into 3. The equation become 15u plus 3v is equal to 6. Clear? 5 into 3, 15 plus 1 into 3, 3v is equal to 2 into 3, 6. Second equation, there is no need for multiplying any number because here v term's coefficient is equal. Clear? First is first equation 3v, second equation also 3v. One is positive and other is negative. So this is equation number 3. This is equation number 2 itself. That is add 3 plus 2. Add 3 plus 2. That is equal to 15u plus 6u is equal to 21u. 15u plus 6u is equal to 21u. Then this term 3v minus 3v cancel is equal to 6 plus 1 7. 6 plus 1 7. That means u is equal to 7 divided by 21. That is equal to 1 by 3. U equal to 1 by 3. Then substituting the value of u in equation 1. This is for substitute 4 in 1. or 2 or 3, any equation. 4 in a 1. Instead of u, you write 1 by 3. That is a 5 into 1 by 3 plus v is equal to 2. That is v is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Taking LCM, 2 minus 5 by 3, 5 into 1 by 3 plus v is equal to 2. 5 into 1 by 3 means 5 by 3. V is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Taking LCM, 6 minus 5 divided by 3, that is equal to again 1 by 3. U is equal to 1 by 3. V also is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, right? U is equal to 1 by 3 and V is equal to 1 by 3. Then, what is our u? U is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Our substitution is u equal to 1 by x minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 3. U equal to 1 by x minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 3. That is u equal to 1 by 3. What is x minus 1? Taking reciprocal, x minus 1 is equal to 3. Then, here v is equal, then what is x? X is equal to 3 plus 1, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 3 plus 1 and x is equal to 4. Then here substitution, what is v? V is equal to y minus 2. That is equal to, again equal to, v is equal to 1 by 3. Taking reciprocal, y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y equal to 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Y equal to 5. That means x is equal to 4 and y equal to 5. This is the solution. X is equal to 4 and y equal to 5 is the solution. Clear? All of you? First you convert into or making it as a linear equation and then solve, then find the value of u and v and substituting the substitution, that is 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2. Clear? There is any doubt? Okay. The next question, question number 5. 7x minus 2y divided by xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y divided by xy is equal to 15. Okay, write the question. 7x minus 2y divided by xy. 7x minus 2y divided by xy is equal to 5. Then 8x plus 7y divided by xy is equal to 15. 8x plus 7y divided by xy is equal to 15. This is our question. This is not in the form of a linear equation. Denominator is xy, 7x minus 2y divided by xy is equal to 5. 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 5. Okay, convert into linear equation form. How to convert? Divide. First equation, 7x divided by xy minus 2y divided by xy. Clear? Is equal to 15. That means x and x cancel. Here y and y cancel. the equation become 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. Clear? This is a 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. Divide each term by xy, that is a 7x by xy minus 2y by xy. Then first term x and x cancel, first term is a 7 by y. Second term y and y cancel, 2 by x. Clear? Similarly, second equation 8x divided by xy plus 7y divided by xy is equal to 15. X and x cancel, y and y cancel. This is 8 divided by y plus 7 divided by x is equal to 15. This is our equation 2. Then again substitute, instead of 1 by x you write u, and instead of 1 by y you write v. Instead of 1 by x you write u, and instead of 1 by y you write v. Then the equation become 7u minus 2, first term is 1 by x is equal to u. First term is a y, that is 7v minus 2x is equal to 7b minus 2u is equal to 5, and second equation 8v plus 7u is equal to 15. This is equation number 3, the equation number 4. Okay, convert 7u minus 2u is equal to 5 and 8v plus 7b is equal to 15. Clear? Then find the value of u and v. Find the value of u and v, and substituting the value of u and v to 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. Okay? This is a homework question. Homework, write the homework. Write as a homework. Right. The next question, listen, next question number 6. 6x plus 3y is equal to xy, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. This is same as xy term is there, that means divided throughout by xy. Question number 6, right? 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. And second equation, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Okay, first equation 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. The question number 4 and 2x plus 4 or 6. Question number 6, sorry. Question number 6. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Then this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Divide throughout by first equation throughout by xy. Xy or 2xy. Okay. Then xy means 6 divided by xy plus 6x divided by xy plus 3y divided by xy is equal to 6xy divided by xy. Here x and x cancel, y and y cancel, xy cancel. That means equation becomes 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6. This is equation number 3. Then second equation divided throughout by xy, that is equal to 2x divided by xy plus 4y divided by xy is equal to 5xy divided by xy. That is equal to x and x cancel, y and y cancel, xy cancel. That means that is 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. This is equation number 4. Okay, this is again in the form of a first question. 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6 and 2 by x plus 4 by x is equal to 5. Therefore, this is also homework. Solve the value of substituting the value of 1 by y is equal to v and 1 by x is equal to u, and substituting the values and convert into the linear form and linear equation form, and find the value of x and y. Okay? Then listen, next question, that is the 7th question. 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y is equal to 4. 15 divided by x plus y minus 5 divided by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Okay. 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y is equal to 4. 15 divided by x plus y minus 5 divided by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here also put listen, 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y is equal to 4. 15 divided by x plus y minus 5 divided by x minus y is equal to 15 divided by x plus y minus 5 divided by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Okay. Substitute here, substitute u is equal to 1 by x plus y and v is equal to 1 by x minus y. Put u is equal to 1 by x plus y and v equal to 1 by x minus y. That means equation become 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. And second equation is 15u plus 5 minus 10u plus 2v is equal to 4, and 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. This is x plus y, x minus y. Okay, then this is equation number 1, 2. Using elimination method, solve the equation. Using elimination method, one is 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. Other one is 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. First equation into 3. That is equal to 30u plus 3 into 6v is equal to 12. Second equation into 2 equating, that is 30u minus 5 into 2 10v is equal to minus 4. Then subtract minus plus plus subtract. First term deleted, eliminated. Second term 16v is equal to 16. V is equal to 16 by 16 1. V equal to 16 by 16 1. V equal to 1, substituting the value of V in equation 1. This is equation number 3. Substitute 3 in 1. 3 in 1, that is a 10u plus 2 into 1 is equal to 4. 10u is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. U is equal to 2 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 5. U is equal to 1 by 5. 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. That means 10u is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. U is equal to 2 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 5. Then that is a substitution x plus y. 1 by x plus y is equal to u. That means 2 by 5. 1 by 5. U, that is equal to 1 by 5, and that means taking reciprocal x plus y is equal to 5. Then another substitution, 1 by x minus y is equal to 1. That is our v. V is equal to 1 by x minus y, that is equal to 1. What is x minus y? X minus y is also equal to 1. This is our equation number 4, and this is equation 5. Again solve 4 and 5. One is x plus 5 is equal to 5, and other is x minus y is equal to 1. Then that is x plus y is equal to 5. Add, this is our fourth equation. Add 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, that is x minus y. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. And substituting value of x, that is x is equal to 3, that is y is equal to 5 minus x, that is equal to 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. The value of x is equal to 2, and y equal to x is equal to 3, and y equal to 2. This is our answer. Okay, write fast. First you substitute u equal to 1 by x plus y and v equal to 1 by x minus y. Then taking equation, form a linear equation in terms of u and v. Then solving the linear equation using elimination method and find the value of u and v. Then substituting this value to our substitution, 1 by x plus y is equal to u, that is x plus y is equal to 5, and v is equal to 1 by x minus y is equal to 1, that is x minus y. That means x minus y is equal to 1. That means x minus y is equal to 1. That is x plus y is equal to 5. Then 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2, 3. And substituting this value to the first equation or second equation, x plus y is equal to 5. That is y equal to 5 minus 2. This is a from 4. Y equal to 5 minus x, 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Okay, that is enough. Okay, next interaction section, turn on your video.